What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Level Up Classics, where we maintain, modify, and restore our favorite classic cars. Today, we're going to do a quick open boxing, and we're going to review my most used battery tender. I have these on all my cars, and they've kept my batteries healthy for years. This is not a sponsored video, and I've repeatedly purchased these over the years. Before we jump in, please hit the subscribe button to help my channel grow. In the box, the Genius 5 is well packaged. In the box, you have the instructions and warranty, you have the battery tender, charging clamps, wall mount strap, and some mounting screws. So here we have the NOCO Genius 5. This is the higher tier model battery tender. They have a Genius 10, but for most people, they won't need that top of the line model. These battery tenders can be used pretty much on any 6 volt, 12 volt car, truck, ATV, jet ski, boat, bike, etc. type of battery. This is your set it and forget it battery tender. And the Genius 5 is going to be your best bang for buck with many functions and a stronger charge. For NOCO Genius, they offer the 1 amp, 2 amp, 5 amp, and 10 amp, hence the 1, 2, 5, and 10 model. Along with these models, they come with more functions. The Genius 5 has almost all the functions, including automatic battery detection, temperature sensors to prevent overcharging, the battery repair mode, which uses a slow pulse to detect and it will recondition your battery if there's sulfuric acid buildup, and then it will pretty much restore the loss of the battery performance, and it will give it your engine battery a stronger start, and it'll extend its battery life. So to demonstrate the setup of the NOCO Genius 5, we're going to put it on my Porsche 964. So when you plug it in, it'll assess the battery health, and then it'll begin trickle charging it. To use the NOCO Genius 5, you simply plug in the battery tender, clamp on the positive clamp to the positive and the negative clamp to the negative, click mode, whichever type of battery you're using it for, and then it takes care of the rest for you. You'll see the blinking cycle through on the display. Once it turns green, you'll know your battery is healthy and it's being maintained now. If you're interested in the NOCO chargers, I put my links below. If you have old cars that need battery tenders, this is definitely a solid choice. Once again, this is not a sponsored video. I buy all my stuff myself. If you buy something from the links below, I may get a small commission to help support my channel. It's at no cost to you, but it's like saying thanks for pointing me in the right direction. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content to come.